So the next question asks you for create a new host baseline, contain the patch name, whatever. For example, that the update tools VIP, which is released on a specific date, and apply that baseline to the cluster name, whatever, which is you have on that exam lab. Okay. And for the purposes, again, I back to hands-on lab experience, which is we were there here. And I choose that lifecycle manager, baseline, new baseline. And somehow I name it cloud HBA underscore baseline and put the content on a patch. As you know, on the next step, I disable that automatically updated baseline because I want to find it manually. I don't want to search it here. And here there's a possibility you can actually filter by name, ID, severity, type, category, whatever. And I want to say that 70, which is we have here as a filter. And after that, I want to little bit zoom out that console, which is I can see a lots of information there. Okay. And I choose that one as an example and say next and finish. As you can see here now that Cloud HBA baseline is here. And the second part asks you, for example, assign that baseline to the cluster called region A01 minus comp01. So update, which is navigating here and attach again, attach baseline or base group. And also you have to select that Cloud HBA baseline. I already canceled that. Also from here, there's a possibility you create and attach a baseline directly. So I click on here, I choose that patch. For example, I choose that Cloud HBA underscore 2 baseline. Again, like what we did in a previous. And again, for example, 70. And let me, okay, and there's a 7 updates. The critical one is like that. That's a bug fix. 701 also that's in a roll-up, bug fix, roll-up, bug fix. There is a security and also bug fix. I choose that one. Next, finish. Here. At the same time, on a same console, you create that baseline and also you attach it to the cluster named, for example, region A01 minus com01. So, but if you want to just attach that baseline, which is you created before, you can select that attach baseline or baseline group and Cloud HBA baseline, attach, bam, that's it. If they ask you, for example, do a pre-check remediation, do it. If they ask you staging, do it. If you ask them remediated, do it. But if they don't ask you about remediation, staging, pre-staging, or pre-check remediation, don't do that. Because of that, maybe your exam lab is broken. And I am highly recommend you just follow the words inside the question, not more, not less. That's all for this part. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on bell and turn on the notification for new videos. Also, put your comments below if you have any question, if you have any idea about that videos or technologies or VMware solutions. Simply put your idea, put your question, put your words on a comment down below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Stay with me for the next question.